How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Quickly talking about the device limit for Urban VPN. So as you can tell here, they're trying to tell you why limit your freedom. With Urban VPN, you can use an unlimited number of devices without any limits on their type, location, or software they are running. You can enjoy an incredibly fast, secure, and private connection from as many devices as you would like. Just like that. Most companies limit the number of devices you can use. There are no other VPN providers who allow an unlimited number of devices being connected at the same time. If you're lucky, you will get between 2 to 5 devices for your subscription. How frustrating would it feel to have to purchase yet another subscription for your other device? Now, this is coming from a company that sells your data to third-party companies and shares it with third-party companies. They collect from you all kinds of data and share it with other companies. And that happens automatically when you use our services. For example, when you use the website, we may assign your device with a JavaScript code. And when you use our mobile app for Android and wish to use the safe browsing mode, we may collect your web browsing data through the Android accessibility services feature as described below. And, there are all kinds of cookies and trackers that they use to collect information from you. And it's just not a good deal, really. When you use a VPN, you're using it to protect your data, not to have your data shared with other third-party companies so that they can use it to advertise things to you. It's a very shady kind of business model. And most free VPNs do that. And a VPN that's just claiming to be 100% free, 100% fast, and 100% anonymous, the only VPN in the world that does that, that's simply not true. So I would suggest that you completely dismiss this VPN. It's a terrible VPN. And if you're looking for a VPN with unlimited number of devices to be secured with just a single subscription, Surfshark will virtually allow for that, okay? And it's a very budget-friendly VPN. Now, you may be looking for a free VPN, but none of these VPNs are free, and that's obviously for a reason. It's because using the servers and maintaining good servers with a solid no-logs policy, a good privacy policy that actually protects your data, that requires funds. And when a free VPN claim to have a no-logs policy, or they claim to, be more protective of your data than other VPNs and whatnot, free VPNs will simply not do that because they have to fund their servers. They have to maintain their servers somehow, and they have to get their pay. And of course, they will get their pay by selling your data to third-party companies and sharing it with other affiliate companies. Whereas a paid premium VPN will not have to share your data in order to sustain their servers because you're already paying them. Now, if you're looking for a budget-friendly VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost and lets you secure an unlimited number of devices, virtually an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription, and you won't be necessarily sacrificing much on privacy, security, performance, or features for that matter, then Surfshark is a great VPN. NordVPN is probably one of the most well-rounded VPNs in the industry. It gives you a whole bunch of extra features, so many servers, will allow you to secure up to 6 devices per subscription, over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and it's a very premium VPN that focuses on performance, reliability, and speed. NordVPN is an amazing VPN for most people, and it's not that much more expensive than Surfshark. And ExpressVPN is going to be a very premium VPN with arguably the best privacy policy in the industry. It focuses heavily on anonymity and privacy, and probably also the best obfuscation in the industry. It makes it super reliable in censorship-heavy countries such as China. So the Great Firewall of China, just almost stands no chance against ExpressVPN's proprietary advanced obfuscation technology. So yeah, these are the best 3 VPNs. I've tested over a couple dozen VPNs over the past couple of years, and I can tell you that these VPNs are the top 3 VPNs. But if you're interested in learning more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features of these VPNs, be sure to check the reviews below. You can also find links to pricing and discounts if you'd like to take advantage of the discounts while they last. Even though Surfshark is already a very cheap VPN. There's a discount that reduces the price even more in the description down below. So be sure to check it out if you guys are interested. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.